Radhe Radhe to everyone. So welcome to you all. Here we are solving CMI PYQs. Now our first question is define the right derivative of a function at x equals to a to be the following limit if it exists. Okay, this is given to us and this is existing. And this is right derivative, obviously, because it is given positive sign, so it is right derivative is given to us. Now we have to find that among these options which one is the correct options. Okay, means we have to find true and false for them. Okay, right, true and false for this. Okay, so first option is first question is f is differentiable at x equals to a. F has a right derivative at x equals to a. F is differentiable at x equals to, okay, f is differentiable. So we all know by first principle of derivative, this is actually our definition of derivatives है ना. This is the definition of derivatives. If you are taking limit h tends to 0 positive and if you are giving h tends to 0 negative, f a minus h minus f of a over h. ठीक है, so right hand derivative, left hand derivative. So first option is correct option, true. Why so? Because it's the definition of derivative itself. Now next question is your f of x is given as this. Okay, so when your f of x is given as mod of x and if we are taking out h tends to 0 positive, but at 0 it is not at all okay, this derivative at 0 this function is not derivative. So let us find has a right hand derivative. The option is question is has a right hand derivative. The right hand derivative is f of a plus h minus f of a over h. नाउ यहाँ पे अगर हम ये ज़ीरो हो जाएगा तो ये हमारा आ जाएगा f of 0 प्लस h माइनस f of 0 ओवर h. तो ये हमारा h ओवर h इज़ 1. सो f of x हैज़ अ डेरिवेटिव. यस, तो राइट डेरिवेटिव कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? राइट derivative is 1. Next is if f has a right derivative at x equals to a then f is continuous at x equals to 1. Okay, अगर ये कह रहा है if f has a right derivative at x equals to a. So if I'll take the example of floor function. So in that case f has right derivative at x equals to a. ठीक है, suppose if I'll say this, so this, ठीक है. So flow function, it is derivative is x equals to a but it is not continuous. This function, floor function, is not continuous. ठीक है. Then is your if next fourth question is if f is continuous at x equals to a then f has a right derivative. अच्छा, if it is continuous here, first let me write on 3. So this is false and this is also false. So it will take the example x sine 1 over x. ठीक है, so this function it is continuous at x equals to 0, but this is not differentiable. It is not differentiable means it has no right derivative at x equals to a. That's why this statement is also false statement. Now next question is, suppose a triangle EBFBD is given and a rhombus ABCD is inscribed in it, so that the point A is on the side ED of the rectangle. The diagonal ABCD intersect at point G. See the indicative figure below. So fifth question is that DGC, this one is must be similar to DFB, means this one. ठीक है, ये पूरा क्या होना चाहिए? This has to be similar triangle. So if we see, because our triangle FBD equals to BDA equals to GDC, ठीक है, तो ठीक है, and what is these two triangles CGD and DFB? They are right angled triangle. Right angled triangles. So yes, they are similar triangles. This is true options. ठीक है. Now next is saying it must be true AC over BD and EB over ED. Okay. AC over BD, AC over BD, or EB over ED. Okay, now this is G bisects AC and BD. So now using similarity criteria for triangle CGD with DEB DFB, ठीक है. So this is again our true statement. ठीक है. Next is triangle CGD cannot be similar to AEB or CGD. So but they are similar triangles because they are equilateral triangles. ठीक है, because your ABC is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, so they can be similar triangle. That's why this is false. Seventh is false. ठीक है. Now for any given triangle EBFD, a rhombus ABCD as described above can be constructed. ठीक है. तो in this case is your ED is greater than or equals to this, and AB is this, ठीक है. Now it is hypotenuse, it's hypotenuse. So ED is greater than equals to EB. ठीक है. तो but they are saying, so that's why this is also false statement. So 8 questions we have done. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much.